Hey guys, it's me. It's me, Kevin, from Ed and Eddie. No, not Kevin from Home Alone, not Kevin McAllister, not Kevin 11. No, Kevin from Ed and Eddie. I just want to tell you something. Josh, you're getting bad chested and you're a dork. First off, how the hell do you think how can you mix up Cindy and fucking Judy Neutron from fucking Jimmy Neutron? Judy's mother, bitch, you dork. You're a dork. I'm real life Kevin, I just want to say, Josh, you are a stupid dork. I'm from Cartoon Network and even I know that. Even I know that about a Nick cartoon. Josh, you are an idiot. Sitting there just listening to freaking anime femboys. I mean, get out of here, dork. For that, for just saying, for mixing up Judy Neutron's name and Cindy's name, thinking Cindy is Judy Neutron, I'm gonna have to bat chest you.